Looks like the bird found the best Uber in the jungle. Croco Cruiser. This looks exactly like my brain cells every time my girl hits me with tough questions. When your OCD dog's got a wild side, he can't help but show. Queen is on a mission to make fetch to include cups and drinks at fancy gatherings. Watching these two is better than TV drama, so why does the boss have to miss the chance? If only laziness burned calories, this horse would be an Olympic athlete. Taking the pup out feels like a workout, and sometimes it's more intense than expected. You ever just look at your cat and think, are you secretly part snake or something slimy? Getting a back massage after carrying a shell all day feels like a tiny slice of heaven. Looks like someone's auditioning for the circus as the next spinning ball performer. She's a walking green flag when she's always napping, too busy for mischief. Nowadays, even animals prefer snoozing on comfy bed sheets over those scratchy leaves. Things have changed. Better not suggest this gaming way to your friend with a fresh nose job, just in case.
Nope.
Dogs may be obedient, but that doesn't mean they're a breeze when it comes to command. When your body is a yoga master, but your mind is on vacation. Even when you're in a bath, the idea of a heavenly shower is hard to resist. If there was a sleeping contest, this dog would definitely be the champion. Newbies often think they've done a lot, but their actual contribution might be different. A true lady never lets even a small thing like back scratching become a problem. When laziness finds its perfect match, free ride, free massage.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
Some folks love napping in the car more than actually reaching their destination. Yeah, I'm not into children, but if it means having these stuff around, then it isn't that bad. If you're too lazy to fly but need food, just book an Uber. Simple. When you both got iron teeth made and want to test them out real bad. If your dog won't do a bicycle crunch, just give him a good scratch and voila! No need to hustle the yoga class, cause there are tons of methods for the lazy.
すみません，妈妈讲，私卡住了，思密达。
走，走，抓狗的来了，抓狗的来了。
Can we hit the streets? It's my call today. Ignore the couch potato, Mom. The grass must be extra delicious to warrant a horizontal dining experience. Since he couldn't afford a cab, this birdie became the driver's free GPS. Lazy, yet clever. You can tell someone's laid back when they snooze without a care in the world. Oddly enough, it feels smarter to swipe your sibling's mask than to use a fresh one. This paw serves as the most elegant cup because this couch potato won't fetch one. Cat laziness is now reaching new heights, like literally, with their personalized elevators. I get it's bad to eat lying down, but dang, breaking that habit's a tough nut. As long as one does not lose strength, then slow is fine. Even animals know how to make use of the cool stuff humans made. Some weird actors need a director to yell "action" for their nature documentary. The higher, the closer to heaven. Even applies to where you crash for a snooze. Thanks for watching.